Welcome back to English Bits and Pieces. In today's video, we've got a fun challenge for you. Can you guess this popular acronyms just looking the emojis? We've got some questions for you, and you'll have 8 seconds to answer each one. Each correct answer earns you 1 point. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Are you ready? Do you know this acronym? Laugh out loud. Do you know this one? You got it right. Work from home. Do you know what TY means? This is easy. Thank you. How about this one? I believe you can got this one. Do it yourself. Do you know what VIP stands for? Very important person, just like you are. Do you know this acronym? Go on, you can get this one. Personal identification number. Subscribe for more.